Hi and welcome to Spicenpans. Today we'll be cooking garlic white pepper crabs. So let's start cooking. Now we'll fry the crabs. I'm using a cast iron wok over here. Please do not use a non-stick pan because the edges of the crab will actually scratch off all the coating of your non-stick pan. So on low heat, fry 1 tablespoon of crushed white peppercorn, coarsely pounded. Let's fry for approximately 10 seconds or so. Do use low heat for this step because we do not want to burn the pepper. When you can start to smell the aroma coming out from the pepper, add in butter and oil. 50 grams of butter, just a little bit of oil because we don't want to burn the butter also. Smells so good right now. You add in 1 whole bulb of garlic chopped up and 1 medium-sized red onion sliced thinly. You can still use low heat at this moment because I want the sweetness from the onion to come out, and of course the fragrance from the garlic too. At this moment it smells really good. We'll fry this for 1 or 2 minutes. Now there's 2 variations of pepper crab in Singapore. One is black pepper, one is white pepper. If you go to our channel, there's a black pepper recipe inside there. Now I'm doing the white pepper version of it. White pepper is actually spicier than black pepper, so do practice caution when you're actually putting in the white pepper. But for my family, we like our dish spicy, hence I'm using that much. If not, you can always reduce it by half. My purpose of doing this is not to brown the garlic, but to get the nice garlicky flavor out of it. So this is about good. So now we're adding water. I'm adding in 2 cups of water and 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. Now if you do not want to use chicken powder, no problem, you can skip this step. But it's tastier if you actually use it. Put the lid on and let it come to a boil. When the water has come to a boil, we'll add in half a teaspoon of sugar and approximately 1 teaspoon of salt. We'll put in the crabs now. At this moment, please turn the heat up to high. We want it to be a rolling boil. I'm using 2 crabs over here, approximately 600 grams per crab, so it's a total of 1.2 kilograms. These are mud crabs that I'm using. Of course, if you can't get mud crabs from where you are at, you can always use any kind of crabs. This is going to be so good. You put the lid back on and let this boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, 8 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Basically, the crab is done already, but we need to enhance the flavor more. Let's stir it around a little bit. Let's just give this a taste to make sure it's salty enough for us. Wow, really good. The sweetness of the crabs, the fragrance of the garlic, the butter, the pepper taste. This is really fantastic. Give this a light stir. Make sure that the crabs are all coated nicely with this beautiful sauce. To enhance the flavor even more, I'm adding in 1/3 cup of evaporated milk. Give it a good stir. Mix it up well. This is so good. Smells so nice right now. Now I like my dish with a little bit of gravy so that I can actually dip my bread into it. Now I add in spring onions. 2 stalks of spring onion. A little of green to make it look better. This will taste so good. Right, now we'll thicken up the sauce. Push the crab aside. Add in some cornstarch solution. Slowly add them in and stir them while you add them in. A little bit more and we're done. Okay, time to serve up this dish. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our garlic white pepper crab. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.